Listening Comprehension Post-Test. In this section of the test, you will have an opportunity to demonstrate your ability to understand conversations in English. Answer all the questions on the basis of what is stated or implied by the speakers you hear. Part A. Directions. In Part A, you will hear short conversations between two people. After each conversation, you will hear a question about the conversation. The conversations and questions will not be repeated. After you hear a question, read the 4 possible answers and choose the best answer. Number 1.
When is your art class?
It begins tonight.
What does the woman mean? Number 2.
I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Would you like me to bring that with the dessert?
Who is the man most likely to be? Number 3.
Have you seen Ellen?
She drove to the shopping center.
What does the man say about Ellen? Number 4.
Why are you so upset with Bill?
Because he didn't tell me the truth.
What does the woman say about Bill? Number 5.
These prices are really good.
I'll say.
What does the man mean? Number 6.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear what you said.
Please pay better attention.
What does the man want the woman to do? Number 7.
Look how hard it's raining.
Let's stay inside today.
What does the woman suggest? Number 8.
Who made the decision?
The decision was made by the judge.
What does the man mean? Number 9.
Did you finish that long chemistry problem?
No, I was unable to solve it.
What does the woman mean? Number 10.
How about if we stay here tonight and watch television?
But I don't want to stay home.
What does the man want to do? Number 11.
Can you tell me when the term paper for this course is due?
In the last week of the semester.
Where does this conversation probably take place? Number 12.
Where's Hank?
He's in the pool.
What does the woman imply about Hank? Number 13.
I'm always so tired during the day.
Why don't you get a little more sleep at night?
What does the man suggest? Number 14.
Have you read the chapter for today?
I tried, but it wasn't easy to get through.
What does the woman mean? Number 15.
Are you having much success with your garden?
No, there are too many rocks in the soil.
What does the man mean? Number 16.
This weather is incredibly beautiful.
You can say that again.
What does the woman mean? Number 17.
Have you figured out the problem with my car?
Yes, the engine needs to be tuned up.
Who is the man most likely to be? Number 18.
I hope you enjoyed your lunch.
That sandwich was really tasty.
What does the woman mean? Number 19.
Is Marie feeling better now?
Yes, she's finally feeling quite healthy.
What does the man imply about Marie? Number 20.
I'm really having problems in this psychology class.
Why don't you see your professor during her office hours?
What does the woman suggest to the man? Number 21.
Why are you saving your money?
I'd like to buy a house at the beach.
What does the man mean? Number 22.
I think Sally really said some mean things.
So do I.
What does the man mean? Number 23.
Can you turn the stereo up? I can't really hear it.
The music is a little soft.
What does the man mean? Number 24.
What happened when you gave Larry the present?
He thanked me over and over.
What does the woman say about Larry? Number 25.
Can I help you?
I'd like to check in, please. I need a single room for one night.
Where does this conversation probably take place? Number 26.
I really like these photos of my hometown.
Why don't you put them up on the wall?
What does the woman suggest? Number 27.
Does Carl know about the meeting?
I'll have to let him know about it.
What does the woman mean? Number 28.
Why was your textbook cheaper than mine?
Mine wasn't new.
What does the man mean? Number 29.
What did the teacher just say? I didn't hear it.
She announced that she would be giving an exam soon.
What does the man mean? Number 30.
How often does the government conduct a census?
Once each decade.
What does the woman mean? This is the end of Part A.
Demikianlah pembahasan materi TOEFL pada kesempatan ini. Semoga bermanfaat. Jangan lupa like dan subscribe agar tidak ketinggalan materi teratur lainnya dari TOEFL Edukasi.